All right, so here's our exit ticket. Take the top number, top equation, and do that itself, and then the bottom. We'll do it down here. All right, on the top. Here's left to right order of operations. We have a parenthesis, we do inside there, so we have to do inside of the inside. -3 plus 5. 4 minus 5 plus 2 is 7. Left to right again. Special operations, yes. We have to do it in here first. 4 minus 7. Different signs. 7's bigger, so it's negative. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Now, reading left to right, we can't do anything here. So this is multiplication, this is addition. Which one's more important? Multiplication. So we do positive times negative is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. Both signs are negative, so the answer should be negative. 3 plus 15 is 18. So that's the top number. The bottom number inside parentheses. 4 is bigger than 3, it's negative, so it's 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4 plus -1 is 3. So it's actually 4. This is the same thing as 4 minus 1. So we have the top number divided by this bottom number. Since there's only one negative, the answer is going to be negative. 18 divided by 3. How many times is 3 going to 18? There we go. That's your answer. It's so easy when I do it, right?
My mistake was always adding stuff.